guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created these flame nails using flames that I got from Amazon. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first you're going to need your nail tips. These are my BU stiletto tips in clear. I'm using my Kiss blush on glue. I'm also using my clear acrylic, my favorite. And I'm also going to be using this brush that I got from Pana, which is my Kolinsky number 8 brush. I'll link that below. So I'm going to start off by applying a very thin layer of clear onto all of my nails. Super thin layer. Honestly, I just find the Glamour Glitz acrylic to be just like the easiest acrylic to use. So that's what you see me doing here. And you guys know for my nail tips, I like using the BU nail tips in stiletto because literally I just cut the tip off and then you have a coffin shaped nail. Of course at the end, after you're done applying like your acrylic and stuff, you want to go in and reshape it, but it's just so beginner friendly, you guys. If you guys want to see a whole video on how I kind of like finesse the shape of my nails for beginners, then let me know down below and I'll be sure to get up that video for you guys. And these are the holographic flame stickers that I did get from Amazon. I'll have the pricing and everything linked below. And I'm going to start off by using the pink nail decal first. And I'm just going to use tweezers to pick those up. And I'm just going to go ahead and just lay the decal down onto my nail. These nail decals did stick very nicely onto the nail. I absolutely just love these. I know that these are like a knockoff for, you know, someone did create these, but I actually got these from Amazon. If you guys want to see a video of me purchasing the original nail flame decals, then let me know down below and I will be sure to purchase those and do a video comparing the two. So now I'm just picking up these yellow ones and I'm going to apply that to the next finger. I did want to do a different color on each finger just so you guys can get an idea of what they all look like. And these are after the nails have been encapsulated with clear. So now I'm just going to go in with my E-file and I'm just going to go ahead and shape the nails. So these nails were really easy to shape because there's not a lot of bulk going on already. So I just really much did a little cleaning up. And I'm just using my 180 sanding band. I do get a lot of questions about this e-file. I'll be sure to do a review video for you guys simply dedicated to this e-file because I do believe this is the most affordable one you can get on Amazon. So you guys just be on the lookout for that video. And now that the nails are filed, shaped, and buffed, I'm just going to go with my IBD gel top coat. Hey guys, and these are the finished nails. Absolutely love them. I've been dying to try flame nails for the longest. Again, if you guys want me to buy the original flame decals, let me know down below. And thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions for my channel, please leave them down below. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next video.